Okay, so we need to simplify 16m n cubed divided by 2m times 5n to the 7th. So first thing we want to do is we want to multiply that denominator. So we're just going to leave the numerator alone. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, and then we have m n to the 7th. So now we need to actually start simplifying. So we need to divide 16 divided by 10, which it doesn't actually go into 16, but it can reduce by 2. So 2 goes into 16 8 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So we now have 8 over 5. Now let's look at m divided by m. Well, 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, they actually cancel out. There are no more m's. Now let's look at n cubed divided by n to the 7th. So if there's 3 on top and 7 on the bottom, I can cancel 3, and there are 4 left in the denominator. So we have n to the 4th. This is your final answer.